Hi, I'm David Holt, and welcome to Great Scenic Railway Journeys. We're about to crisscross the world's smallest continent, Australia.
Grab a window seat with Grammy Award winner David Holt as Travel Channel soaks up all the spectacular sights Australia has to offer.
You can drop down just about anywhere, and there's a scenic train nearby ready to show you the history and the beauty of the land down under.
Great Scenic Railway Journeys on Travel Channel.